All right, guys, the 2024 KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition was just announced over on social media. If you're unfamiliar with this, it's the only factory edition off-road bike KTM offers. Comes out around this time every year. So it's not like the new gen factory edition you might get with the motocross bike, but it is a factory edition with those same bells and whistles and graphics. Let's look at some other photos. You can see you get the Red Bull graphics, the Henson clutch cover, FMF, you get the Power Parts wheels, front rotor guard, skid plate. This one has a solid mud rotor on it. You get the orange anodized clamps, just a bunch of goodies. The orange seat covers, which a lot of you guys will be happy to know that these complete seats and seat covers from the factory editions are finally starting to come off back order and become available. But these things are definitely cool. They're definitely blingy. If I was an off-road guy, this is what I would have over my 450 SXF factory edition for sure. So if you're interested in one of these, email sales@aomc.mx. And if you appreciate these videos, shop with AOMC from the link in my link tree, guys.